Today we're here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Solana for the month of June? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. I know a lot of you guys are struggling right now with everything going on in the market. I'm going to tell you guys to try to be strong, be positive. If you need to step away from crypto and stuff like that, do it. But things always turn around. Things will get better. It's just going to take some time. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is for Solana. We are guessing the price of Sol for June 2026. Right now, Sol is sitting at around $63.92. Look back at Solana's historical performance in June since it first launched. Has June usually been a positive or negative month for Solana? Give me 3 guesses for June 2026, a bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright guys, and we officially have our answer from ChatGPT. June has historically leaned negative for Solana overall. We already seen how negative June can be, so let's get to the actual answers. The bullish guess, $74.80, range $72 to $77. The bearish guess, $54.60, range $52 to $57. The official guess, this is the guess that matters, this is the guess that everything gets ranked off of. The official guess, $66.40, range $64 to $69. Alright guys, and there we have it, the official answer. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you believe in the bullish guess, the bearish guess, the official guess? Maybe you're somewhere else entirely, like $1,000 at the end of June, or maybe $25. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really interested to hear what you think. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.